Hello guys, my name is Prince and this is Math Center. Subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos. Post your comments and questions on my social media handles and I'll respond to it.
We are on the topic real number system. In the first video, we learned what real numbers are. We also saw the properties of operations on real numbers. In this video, we are going to look at binary operations. Then we will take a question on binary operations so that we can understand it very well. So, what are binary operations? We learned in the first video that the basic binary operations that we know are addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. But here, we are going to learn that computations can be done using other operators besides the four basic ones. So the four basic ones we know are addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. But computations or calculations can also be done besides these. There are other operators. Now, when that happens, the operation will be defined for you. Just like the four basic operators, these operators also combine two numbers to produce a result. So we are going to look at an example. So here, a question has been given to us and an operation, which is star, has been given us. Now in this case, when this operation is given to you, it will be defined for you. So here, star has been defined for us, and the definition is that if you have a star b is equal to a plus b plus a times b. So this is the definition of star for us. Now when you are given addition or subtraction as an operator, there is no definition because it comes with its own meaning. This is what I mean. Let's say that you are being given 4 minus 3. There is no you will not have to be given any definition, because we know that when you have 4 minus 3, what it means is that it has been generally accepted that you have to subtract 3 out of 4. Now, when another operation is given besides the 4 basic operators, it has to be defined for you, because that operator can mean any other thing. So in this case, the operation star has been defined that if you have a star b, it means that you must add the first value to the second one, then add it to the product of the two values, or add it to the results after you've multiplied the two values. Star is a binary operation because it is combining two numbers or two values to give us a result. So the operation has been defined for us, a star b, and it has been given us a plus b plus ab. So the question is telling us to find I, a star 3 star 4, I, 2 star 5, I, 1 star 6, IV, 2 star 4 into bracket star 5. Now, how do we do this? Let's go on to find out how we are going to do this. So let's take the first one, 3 star 4. The operation has been defined for us as a star b is equal to a plus b plus ab. So what it means is that if you have 3 star 4, a will be equal to 3 because a is the first value, then b will be equal to 4 because b is the second value. So look at the definition. The definition is a plus b plus ab. So replace every a that you see with 3 and replace every b that you see with 4. So you are going to get a plus 4, 3 plus 4 plus 3 times 4. So from here you solve. We are going to add, whenever you have this from board mass, we've learned when we were considering fractions, we saw that from board mass, whenever you have this addition and multiplication in the same thing or in the same expression, you first have to do the multiplication, then you continue to the addition. So you do the multiplication part. 3 times 4, we are going to get 12. 3 plus 4, you get 7. So we add 7 to 12 and we are getting 19. So 3 star 4 will give us 19. II says that 2 star 5. So just as we did for I, in this case the first value is no longer 3 but 2. So A will be equal to 2. Then the second value, which used to be 4, is now 5. So B will be equal to 5. So you substitute this into the definition. Wherever you see A, you put 2, and wherever you see B, you put 5. So you are going to get 2 plus 5 plus 2 times 5. Once again, you begin with the multiplication. So we will do 2 times 5, which is 10. 2 plus 5, which is 7. We add 7 to 10 and we are getting 17. II says that we should do 1 star 6. So from here, A will be 1 and B will be 6. So you substitute this into the equation, into the definition, sorry. So we replace every A with 1 and we replace every B with 6. So 1 plus 6 plus 1 times 6. We first do the multiplication first. So 1 times 6 will give us 6. Then 1 plus 6 will give us 7. 7 plus 6 will give us 13. Now we move on to IV. IV says we should do 2 star 4 into bracket star 5. Now you can see from here that there are three values here, and we have 2 of them in the bracket. Whenever you are being given something like this, you first have to do what is in the bracket first, then you continue from there. So let's take what is in the bracket first. 2 star 4. So in this case, A is now 2 and B is 4. So you substitute this into the definition. You replace every A with 2 and you replace every B with 4. So when you do that, you are going to get 2 plus 4 plus 2 times 4. You first do the multiplication first. So 2 times 4 will give us 8. 2 plus 4 will give us 6. 6 plus 8 will give us 14. Now you can see from here that we now have what is in the bracket. What is in the bracket is now 14. So in actual sense, what we are having now is 14 star 5, because what is in the bracket, which is 2 star 4, is now 14. So you move on to 14 star 5 because what is in the bracket is 14. So if we are doing 14 star 5, then we know that A is now 14 and B is now 5. So you replace every A with 14 and every B with 5. So 14 plus 5 plus 14 times 5. We know that 14 times 5 will give us 70. 14 plus 5 will give us 19. So what is 19 plus 70? When you bring our calculator, we will see that 19 plus 70 will give us 88. So 19 plus 70 is giving us 88. So whenever it's like this, all you need to do is to first compute for what is in the bracket. So in this case, 2 star 4. We computed for 2 star 4 and we saw that it's 14. Then you replace that with 14. So in this case, what is in the bracket, which is 2 star 4, is now 14. So we are having 14 star 5. 14 star 5, then you do the computation and we are having that to be 89. So we can say that 2 star 4 into bracket star 5 is giving us 89. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next video where we will take another example on binary operation. Bye bye.